Murder!
Yes.
Really? Really? Say it again.
Serbia's dead.
Kosovo is Serbia.
No. Never.
Kosovo is Serbia. uh, I will call my gang. Come to Albania. Kill all. Send to Auschwitz. Auschwitz in Poland. Auschwitz.
Okay.
Do you
I put this video in YouTube.
YouTube?
Okay.
I'm YouTuber too, dude. You're YouTuber.
I put this video on YouTube.
What is the name of your channel? I want to see that. Name of your channel on YouTube.
I recorded you and I put this video in YouTube.
Can you tell me your channel on YouTube?
No, I don't.
What?
All the world see your video when you saying I come to Kosovo to kill all people. I recorded you.
That was a joke,
Okay.
dude. You say that Serbia is murdered and then you are blaming me because I said that it was a joke, dude.
I put this video on YouTube and you
You said that
go-
Serbia is murdered. You're manipulating and recording, dude. What the fuck, dude?
fuck off. Fuck yourself, you idiot.
Kill yourself.